Myself, Tanesh Chandra from Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Today, I am going to speak about our duties towards the society during this pandemic. First of all, what is coronavirus or COVID-19? Coronavirus or COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2, also known as SARS-CoV-2. It was first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, China, and has since spread globally, resulting in an ongoing pandemic. Someone is suffering from this disease. The most common symptom is fever. Some of the other common symptoms are cough, loss of appetite, fatigue, shortness of breath, muscle and joint pains. There are also other symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, sneezing, runny nose, etc. Coming to the main point of this elocution. The best thing in this pandemic is the prevention of the coronavirus diseases. Some, uh, some of the preventive measures which can help us to stop the spread of COVID 19 are cleaning our hands, maintaining a safe distance, not touching our eyes, nose, or mouth, covering our nose and mouth, staying at home, etc. I am going to explain about these points. Mention is maintaining social distance. It aims to reduce the contact of infected persons with large groups by closing schools and workplaces, restricting travel, and cancelling public gatherings. Distancing guidelines also include that people should stay at least 6 feet 1.8 meters apart. Measures are we should regularly and thoroughly clean our hands with an alcohol based hand rub or wash them with soap and water because washing our hands with soap and water or using alcohol based hand rub kills viruses that may be on our hands. We should maintain at least 1 meter 3 feet distance between ourselves and others because when someone coughs, sneezes, or speaks, they spray small liquid droplets from their nose or mouth, which may contain virus. If we are too close, we can breathe in the droplets, including the COVID 19 virus, if the person has the disease. We should avoid going to crowded places because where people come together in crowds, we are more likely to come in close contact with someone that has COVID 19, and it is more difficult to maintain physical distance of 1 meter. We should avoid touching eyes, nose, and mouth, as hands touch many surfaces and can pick up viruses. Once contaminated, hands can transfer the virus to our eyes, nose, or mouth. From there, the virus can enter our body and infect us. Make sure that the people around us follow good respiratory hygiene. It means covering our mouth and nose with our bent elbow or tissue when we cough or sneeze. Then dispose it of the used tissue immediately and wash our hands because the droplets spread virus. By following good respiratory hygiene, we can protect the people around us from viruses such as cold, flu, COVID 19, etc. Stay at home and self isolate us even with minor symptoms such as cough, headache, mild fever until we recover. If anybody brings some supplies for us or we are required to leave our house, we should wear a mask to avoid infecting others because avoiding contact with others will protect them from possible COVID 19 and other viruses. Fever, cough, and difficulty in breathing. We should seek medical attention but call by telephone in advance if possible and follow the directions of our local health authority because national and local authorities will have the most up to date information on the situation in our area. Calling in advance will allow our healthcare provider to quickly direct us to the right health facility. This will also protect us and help prevent spread of viruses and other infections. Know about the latest information from trusted sources such as WHO or our local and national health authorities because local and national authorities are best placed to advise on what people in our area should be doing to protect themselves. Of these, there are many other preventive measures or duties towards our society. But by following these basic duties, we can help our society to prevent the spread of coronavirus. So, thank you.